Good evening.
Hello.
Good evening, Tab. How are you today?
Good evening.
Okay, how are you? Okay, so wait for a minute. Okay, so now, Tab, we have here in Unit 3. Okay, we are already in Unit 3. Okay, so in Unit 3, we are going to talk about imperatives with more and less. Again, we are here with imperatives with more and less. Okay, so when you say the word imperative, imperative, Tab, is a form with the verb without a subject. The negative imperative is formed with do not or don't to make it a contraction. If there is a contraction, this is okay. Okay, it's a contraction. Okay, so we have here imperatives. Okay, the negative imperative is formed with do not. So of course, when we say negative, Tab, it always have the word not, not. So when we say do not, the contraction for it is don't. Okay, so it always have a negative do not, don't. Okay, that's negative imperative. Okay, here I have your example like this, Tab. Example, don't touch my phone. Open your books. Sit down. Okay, based on the example here, okay, you might be thinking, Teacher Anne, what is imperative? What do you mean is imperative? Okay, what are these? These are example of imperative. What do you think is the imperative, teacher? What is imperative, by the way? What is that, Teacher Anne? I don't understand that. Okay, so when we see imperative, it is, so when we say imperative, it is you will giving a command. You will giving like a command, like you will say, Tab, give me water. Okay, you're asking that someone give you a favor. Okay, give me example of imperative, Tab. Can you give me example of imperative? Not in the example. Can you give example? What are other example of imperative? Teacher Ann will give example. Tab, give me a water. Will you please give me a drink? Can you please guide me in the museum? I don't know, Tab. Okay, now Tab, you give me one example of imperative sentence. We are talking here imperative.
Oh, open your notebook.
Okay, open your notes. Yes, that's imperative. You are asking teacher Ann, teacher Ann, you open your notes. That's imperative. In here, so we have here, of course, that's very obvious. This one tab, the two of them, open your books, sit down. This is positive imperative. But when you say, don't touch my phone, this is negative imperative. And this one is the positive imperative. Okay, do you understand? You understand, Tab?
Yes.
Okay, so when I say, okay, don't touch my phone, don't touch my phone, it's negative imperative. Open your books, that's positive imperative. You say, open your book, that's positive imperative. But when I say, don't touch my phone, okay, that's negative imperative. Okay, you understand?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Yay. Okay, now here. Okay, in this one, you will have to do more, do less, do more with less. Okay, do more, you have to do more, do less, do more with less. Okay, okay, let us hear one answer some exercises. Okay, so by the way, Tab, when you see more, of course, more, many. More, Tab, more. When you say less, it's less. Less, it's the opposite of more. Okay, so can you please answer this with more or less? With what you expect, with what you think. I am going to do more, I am going to do less. Okay, answer please. Answer. Okay, we have here. So we have here the word eat less sweet food. Eat less sweet food. Okay? Another one, you have to get more exercise. Okay, a minute, Tab, just a minute. Okay, Tab? Okay, sorry, somebody is calling me in Zalo. Okay, so we have here, eat less sweet food. Okay, you will eat less sweet food. Very good. Get more exercise. That's good. Very good. Drink less coffee. Okay, eat less fast food. Eat more fruit and vegetables. Okay, drink more water. Smoke less and give it up. Okay. Relax more. Worry less. Okay. Relax more. Smoke less and give it up. So don't try to smoke. Okay. You know what is smoking? You know what is it? You know what is smoking, Tam?
Yes.
Yeah, smoking is not good to your body. Always remember that. So, smoke less and give it up. Don't smoke anymore. Relax more. Okay, you relax more. Mhm. Worry less. Don't try to worry always. Just relax and worry less. Okay. Spend less time on computer. Oh, spend less. But teacher and another teacher now used to spend more in the computer. We have to do and we have to look at the computer over and over. Okay, that is spend less time on computer. Okay, next here. Okay, so in here tab. Okay, very good. Okay, in this one, look at the article on the Teen Health website. Fill in the blanks to complete their top 6 health tips. What do you think are the top 6 health tips? Okay. So you will have to do more exercise like this. Okay. So you will add example. This is the example. Okay. For 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, please give me your answer in here. This is another example. Do more exercise. Staying in shift is our most important tip. Okay. Do it now. Top. Let's see. Teacher will discuss it later. Unsa may mo 250 yab 250 load? Asa man? Kung na-extra ihatag na ko ipasa. Sige, ang ayaw mawa na. Kuhaon na kay naka-data ka. I-off ng data, gi-off ni mo data. Sige, save it. Give it to me after pagpaguan sa app. For number 2, blank getting plenty of rest is really important. It helps you to avoid depression and it helps you to concentrate at school. You will also be fresher in the mornings. Okay? What is that? What do you think is the answer? Anything. Do more exercise. Is it related? Okay, for a while. Look at the article on the Teen Health website. Fill in the blanks and complete. Okay, wait for a while. Okay, so this is the article. Actually, it's not here. Okay, so article is not giving here. So you have to provide tab your own answer. As long as there is more and less. 4, the last one.
I don't know this.
Okay. Okay, let's see. It's okay, Tab. Number 1. Okay, Teacher Ann will discuss about this. Do more exercise. Staying in shape, okay, you will not be fat, you will not be thin, is the most important tip when you have this health tips exercise. You can play football or even go for a long walks. It's okay, but make sure it's a 3 times a week or more. You have to eat less junk food. You are what you eat. So make sure it's healthy food like fruits and vegetables, not junk food. Okay. It can help you to avoid obesity. Obesity. Okay. Number 2, sleep more. Getting plenty of rest is really important. Okay, Tab, you have to sleep 8 hours a day. Children like you or kids like you have to do more than 8 hours. It could be 8 to 10 hours a day. Okay. It helps you to avoid depression and it helps you to concentrate at school. You will also be fresher in the morning try to when you try to sleep early. So it's not good to sleep late or very late. It's not really good to sleep very late. Okay. So you will also be fresher when you wake up in the morning. Okay. Sleep. Okay. Sleep more. Okay. Eat less junk food. So by the way, are you eating junk foods? You know what is junk foods, Tab?
It's like fast food.
Oh, in the fast food. Aside like the chips, that's junk foods. Like okay, anything that coincides with uh eating not healthy, not fruits, not vegetable. By the way, you eat fruits? Do
Yes.
you eat, what is your favorite fruit?
Uh, I like apple.
Pineapple. Okay. How about vegetable? Do you eat vegetable?
Yes.
Okay, yes. Vegetable is really good for your health. Vegetable. Okay. So, not all kids love vegetables. They love hot dogs, they love frozen products, they love it. But eating vegetable, they don't like it. Okay, now, number 4. Let's see number 4. Wash your hands more. Okay, Tab. When you try to wash your hands, they said you have to sing happy birthday. Happy birthday song. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. We're washing your hands. Happy birthday. And you put a soap. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Again, one more. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. You're washing it properly. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. After you sing the 2 happy birthday song, you will have to rinse your hands. Rinse it with water and put it and let it dry. Okay? That is washing your hands more. Why? It's so easy to get a flu. We should all try to keep clean more. Then flu will find it harder to spread. Okay. Then flu will find it harder to spread out because you have eaten or you have washed it more. Okay. You wash it a little bit or more harder. Okay. It's easy to get a flu. We should all try to keep clean more. Then flu will find it harder to spread. Okay, that's a good thing. Okay, number 6, number 5, watch less TV. There are some great things to watch, but too much is not good for you or your eyes. Okay, watch less on the TV. Okay, so actually you can watch TV, but not all what is in the television is good for you since you are still young. Okay, so like parental guidance, you were not allowed to watch TV which give you an impression of war, an impression of sex and violence. You will not watch over that. It's not good for you. Violence, scandals are not good for the kid or children like you. Okay. So actually, there are some great things to watch in the TV. You can watch National Geographic. Okay, that's very nice. Okay, that's good one. There are some great things to watch, but too much isn't good at all. Okay, it's not good to watch every day TV and the whole day you're just watching TV or you're just watching computer. It's not good at all. Okay, Tab, did you understand, teacher? You understand me? You understand, teacher Anne?
Yes.
Yes. Number 6, play less computer, spend time playing games. Oh, okay. I will erase so I can clearly see what is the correct answer. Okay, very good, Top. Okay, you will spend less time playing games. Okay, are you playing games in the computer? Do you play
Yes.
sometimes? Yeah, sometimes we
Yes.
have to play in the computer. We have to play games in the mobile phone. Many of us love computer games, but we should spend less time playing them. Limit your time to just 1 hour, 2 or 3 days a week or less. Okay, again, many of us love computer games, but we should spend less time playing them. Limit your time to just 1 hour, 2 or 3 days a week or less. Okay, it's not good to play computer every day, the whole day. It's not good at all. Okay, you just limit your time to just 1 hour, 2 or 3 days a week or less. Okay. In that way, it will make your eyes clear, still clear, and it will not make your eyes in the bad shape. Okay, like you cannot see it clearly, you cannot read. It's quite, your eyes is quite blurry anymore. You cannot have a good shape in doing activities because your eyes is destroyed by the computer or by the radiation of the computer, radiation of the mobile phone, radiation of the iPad. Okay? So these are the 6 health tips that you have to remember. Do more exercise, sleep more, eat less junk food, wash your hands more, watch less TV, spend less time playing games. Okay? Do you understand, Tab?
Yes.
Okay, now here we have to complete the health tips below with more or less. Okay, you put here more or less only. Okay, please answer. Okay, so we have here number 1, eat less. You have to eat less junk food. It makes you fat. Okay. Wash your hands more. You will have less chance of catching flu. Okay. Sleep more, but try to wake up at the usual time, even at weekends. Go outside more. Go outside less. If you do need to go outside, wear a sun hat. Okay, 5. Watch less television. Looking at the screen for too long hurts your eyes. Yeah, correct. Do more exercise and you will feel fitter and healthier. Okay, very good. Okay, this one. Okay, complete the health tips below with more or less again. These are all we are talking here, Tab, about health tips using more or less. Okay, you answer more or less, Tab. Okay, so we have here number 1. So number 1, sit less in front of the TV or computer if you don't want your eyes to be hurt. Oh my God. I have to sit less in front of the TV and the computer, or if you don't want your eyes to be hurt. But then teacher Anne has to do it because it's my job as a teacher. I have to be in front of the computer. Okay, that's job of being a teacher. Sorry, that's my job. Okay, next, number 2, do more exercise. Oh, Tab, what happened?
The
The internet?
yes.
Okay. So we have here again, Tab. Okay, we are done with this. Okay, did you see this?
Yes.
Okay. So we have here the last time. So, okay, Tab, we only have, okay, actually, we only have 1 minute. Okay. So we will have to do it on Monday. Okay. On Monday. Okay. By the way, Tab, did we have class on Thursday? Did you attended the class or no?
Mm,
Wait for a while. Thursday, just a minute, Tab. Thursday, that's Friday. 5, 6. Just a minute. Okay, Thursday. Okay. Did you were not there in Thursday, Tab, right?
yes.
Okay. So, can we have a class on Saturday? Tomorrow, 5 p.m. Did you attend class on Thursday? No. I know. Yeah, your computer in Thursday is not doing good, right? You cannot
Yes.
enter. Okay. Can we have a makeup class on tomorrow, 5 p.m.? Is it okay? 5 p.m. tomorrow.
Mm, yes.
Okay. So I will check. I will double check. Tomorrow is Saturday, right? So can we have class at 5 p.m. tomorrow? 5 p.m. tomorrow. Can we have class 5 p.m. tomorrow?
Yes.
Okay.
Wait.
Okay, please.
Can we have on Sunday?
Sunday 5 p.m. Oh, I have a class at Sunday 5 p.m. Tab. I am
How
available 3 p.m. Sunday. 3 p.m.
how about mm, yes.
Again, how about
Study at 5 p.m. tomorrow.
tomorrow is Saturday, right?
Yes.
Okay, tomorrow 5 p.m. Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay, so I will tell your mom 5 p.m. tomorrow we will study. Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay, so for now, teacher will say goodbye. I will see you tomorrow 5 p.m. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so okay. Bye-bye, Tab. See you tomorrow 5 p.m. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, bye-bye.